Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to online support program for English class 10th. I'm here, your course instructor, Mrs. Asma Kul. The topic that for today is noun and its types. Though it's a very simple and easy topic, but it is included in your course, so I wanted to just revise all the concepts again with you so that it is easier for you to solve the exercises there in your textbooks. So let us proceed further. We're going to study noun. That is our topic for this lecture. So by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to recall noun and recognize its various types. You will be able to distinguish between the different types of nouns. The resources that are required by the end of this tutorial for the tasks is your textbook exercises, chapter number 1 and 2. Alright, the grammar portion actually. Now, coming towards our topic, noun, as you all know, that it refers to persons, animals, places, things, ideas, or events. So noun basically encompasses most of the words of a language. A noun can be a person, an animal, a place, a thing, or an idea, simply. Now, coming towards the types of nouns, there are some types that I have mentioned here are proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, concrete noun, countable, uncountable, collective, compound, and material noun. Now here I may mention that concrete noun and material noun, they are more or less, they are exactly the same. Material noun can be regarded as a part of concrete noun. Now here coming towards the very first one, proper noun. As the name indicates, proper noun, it is actually a name. It can be a name of a country or person, place, or thing. It actually refers to a single person, place, or a thing. And it should be kept in mind that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Let us come towards some examples. For example, Ali. Ali refers to a particular person. Australia. The name is fixed for one particular country. Okay. Now come towards the common noun, the second one. It is just the name of the common things, name of very common things all around us. It encompasses particular type of the things, persons or places. Here I may mention the example, for example, country. Now it's not specific. City or boy, it can be any country, it can be any city, it can be any boy, any girl, something like that. And must keep this thing in mind that we do not need to use capital letters for the common nouns when they are mentioned in a sentence or something like that. Now come towards the next one, abstract noun. As the name indicates, abstract, something that is abstract. For example, a word for something that cannot be seen but it is there. It has no physical existence, and generally it refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. For example, truth, happiness, sorrow. Now these are you can say these are some kind of feelings or the qualities of some particular person or something like that. So here they are, the truth, happiness, sorrow, joy, justice. These are all they all come in the abstract noun. They all are abstract noun. they are noun because they are the names of some feelings or some ideas or some qualities, but they are abstract. We cannot touch them, we cannot see them. Okay, beta. And so now the next one is concrete noun. Now here the concrete noun is the exact opposite of abstract noun. How? It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. Now, for example, chair, table, ball, etc. Now, coming towards the countable noun can be regarded as a part of the concrete noun. Now, it actually refers to the nouns that can be counted. Okay, for example, chair, table, etc. Now here I must mention that countable noun can take an article, and the. Now uncountable nouns, the nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Here I want to tell you that abstract nouns are also uncountable nouns. Coming towards the example, salt, sugar, rice, these are uncountable nouns. Now come towards the next one, collective noun. As the name shows, it is a collection, or it is a word given to a group. It is for a group of things or animals or people, something like that. Okay, for example, gang, crowd, family, etc. Now come towards the next one, that is compound noun. It is made up of two or more words. Understood? Two or more nouns actually. Some compound words are hyphenated, some are not, and some combine their words to form a single word. For example, now there are three different types that I have mentioned, or three different forms that I have mentioned. Let me give you their examples. Son-in-law, forget-me-not. Now here it is hyphenated, and these are hyphenated compound nouns. Black market, washing machine. Now they are two word compound nouns, or you can say open compound nouns. And the third one, snowman, blackbird. Now they are one word compound nouns, or you can say closed compound nouns. Understood? Now come towards the next one, that is material noun. It actually refers to the matter or material or substance with which things are being made. For example, gold, silver, milk, etc. Now that was all for the noun and its types. Now I hope that you have understood what a noun is and what are the different types of nouns. Now the tasks that are assigned with this video are you have to check your textbook page number 8 and 9. There you are given some questions. Identify whether each underlined word is a concrete or abstract noun. You have to identify them, though we have already done them in our previously, but just for your revision and for your recalling, you may do it again. You have to identify, and you have underlined each word and identify them whether they are concrete or abstract noun. Then come towards the textbook page number 21, that is fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. You have to find out, you have to use appropriate collective nouns that are given there in your fill in the blanks, in your blanks, okay, to complete the sentences. So that was all for today. I hope you have understood the lecture. If you have any query, any problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and we can discuss the problem. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take lots of care, and Allah Hafiz.